Welcome back to Trading with CJ. What a strange time it is in the market right now. People are adding away to some stocks here and there. Some people are just building that cash pile. However, one thing hasn't changed, and that is I'm still getting asked a lot of questions about HCMC, whether it be my YouTube comments, private messages, or the Discord. We have a Discord with a HCMC channel as well. You can join that. The link to that is in the description below. So I just wanted to talk about HCMC, what I think is going to happen with the upcoming weeks, with the potential filing from Philip Morris as well, and then going on to the judge's reasoning. What I think is going to happen with all this and the share price. And there's been a lot of talk about a potential short squeeze. I'm going to give you my opinions on that as well, okay? We're going to get into all of that. If you appreciate these videos and you just want to show some support, please go ahead and smash the like and subscribe to my channel as well. That really is appreciated. So let's get straight into this. We are, of course, talking about Healthy Choices Management Corp, HCMC. Let's look at the share price, okay? Because it seems to have found, you know, a good stable price here around the 12 mark, okay? 0.0012. This has been the kind of go-to range. There's been a lot of barcoding going on. It's been up and down, up and down. Not by very much. It tends to go up to maybe 1.5. We see this drop down to about 11, and then it kind of always stabilizes and hovers around the 12, which definitely seems to be a good thing for investors, okay? Not a lot of news at the moment, okay? We are still waiting for Philip Morris's reply. The market cap at the moment stands at 371. Bearing in mind, this one did see nice highs not too long ago, okay? And then at the moment, the market is selling off. Sentiment in the market right now is down, okay? People are not as interested in stocks at the moment, which is completely fine. It goes through these phases, and that's why HCMC right now is kind of hovering around this amount. Is it time to panic sell? I don't think so, okay? The reason you've got into this one is because of the lawsuit, which still stands. We do not have a ruling on this, and it's going to be a while, I believe, until we get a proper ruling on this. So I do not think you should be panic selling. Should you be adding right now? Well, it's hovering around these prices, okay? And I really don't think it's going to go down much more. But right now, you know, the markets are red. Anything can happen. But my personal opinion for HCMC right now is to hold, okay, and that's what I'm doing. I'm holding my position. I added another 400,000 shares about a couple of weeks ago. Since then, I'm just holding, okay? We're going to see what happens. I think it's going to be pretty exciting. So, a little bit of an update on this one. First off, what we're waiting for now. We are waiting for Philip Morris, okay, for their reply, which should be due by April the 16th. We can get it any time. We could get it tomorrow. But I don't think so. Everything has kind of been left to the last minute. So it could be definitely left until April the 16th or thereabouts. And they are applying on the motion to dismiss. Now, let's get it right, okay? We all know what is coming with this. And if you don't, I'm about to break it down to you. There is a strong, highly likely possibility that they are going to deny this and carry on with the court, okay? They're going to take this to the judge for the judge to decide. If we look at a tweet that they recently put out after HCMC's response to the motion to dismiss, HCMC basically fought back, put a big page document. We have covered that in previous videos. But Philip Morris did put a tweet out a couple of days later. Burning starts at roughly 400 degrees Celsius, but nicotine is released long before temperatures rise at 247. This is why the smoke-free products avoid combustion, fire, ash, and smoke. So it's quite clear to see that they are not backing down from this. Otherwise, they wouldn't have tweeted that. They would have read a lot into HCMC's documents. So they wouldn't have tweeted that to then come back and say, oh, you're right. Yes, here's a settlement. Here's some royalties. You name it, okay? So clearly they are going to deny this. They're probably going to put a bit of a statement as to why this is not true, what HCMC have come back with about the combustion, etc. They're going to deny all this, okay? And then what's going to happen? We're going to hear from the judge. That could be, we don't know the exact time scale, probably a week or so after Philip Morris. So I don't expect there to be a massive catalyst in the coming weeks, okay? If anything, we're probably going to see it drop a little bit more because right now the markets are red. And even if we do get good news, we've seen this on many stocks. Earnings are going up. Great news. Acquisitions are coming out. You know, lots of good things going on amongst different stocks. Guess what's happening? They're dropping. They're dropping. Sentiment right now in the market is not there, okay? Good news isn't really affecting stocks. So, in a way, we don't really want this to have any good news right now. Because even if they did pass the law, even if Philip Morris came out and said, you know what, we are going to settle this, it will shoot up for sure. However, I really don't think it's going to shoot up as much in this current market situation as it would have, say, a month or two ago. So just bear that in mind, okay? At the moment, in my opinion, no news is good news for this situation. We are in this for a bit more of the long haul now. We've said this numerous times. My strategy is to hold. We're going to hear from the judge in about a month's time, most likely. And my opinion on that is, this is then going to be a long drawn out case with different stages throughout, okay, where they have to provide evidence, etc. It's going to be a long drawn out case. I don't think we're going to see crazy price movements in the coming months on HCMC. Of course, I would like that. I am a small shareholder, but yeah. So that is my opinion on this. Let's go out to a bit of news that has come out in the last couple of days. This literally came out yesterday, actually. Healthy Choices Management Corp announces relaunching of its vitamins and supplements online store at thevitaminstore.com. This is good, okay? Some online presence from HCMC. We don't have much going on from this company. Most people are in this for the lawsuit. Why don't we build this up as a potential long-term investment regardless of the lawsuit? Good thinking here from HCMC for sure. The online store was originally purchased as part of the acquisition of HCMC's Free Paradise Health and Nutrition brand stores in Melbourne. And they say they're going to be offering national brands for the first time online. Online sectors are growing. They should have done this a long time ago, but nevertheless, they're doing it now. And the reason for this, they say they have recognised and are grateful for the national attention that HCMC has received over the past several months, and for the very vocal support of its shareholder base, which is now over 306,000 shareholders strong. And I believe they have a very good shareholder base. They're building up their Twitter presence, they have a following on Instagram, they have a following on Reddit. Lots of different HCMC pages that people are following. This is a great advertisement here for HCMC. Why not capitalize on this current hype around this company and put out some news, get people to potentially start buying their products as well. And you can see here, it's a perfect opportunity for a relaunch of the vitamin store, as well as an opportunity for the Adder's brand of high quality vitamins. That's from the CEO there, Jeff Holman. He also says our shareholders have repeatedly expressed a desire to support their investment in HCMC directly, also but by becoming customers. And this is a highly motivated and incentivized customers. We are extremely encouraged by the growth potential from this online store. So I really think this is going to be big for this company, definitely going to boost their sales. And they say, unlike a stock market investment in a high ticket item based company, such as a car company, etc., we have the power here to make the real difference with the power of individual purchasing habits. This is a rare opportunity for shareholders to work hand in hand with management to build a national brand while increasing shareholder value through increased company revenue. So this is kind of like a call to action here to shareholders or to people who want this company to do well. We have launched our online store. Get checking it out. Get buying some products. That's basically what I'm hearing here from Jeff Holman. Okay, they want to boost the credibility of this company, and they're just building this up because not everything here has to rely on the lawsuit. A lot of people are in this company for the lawsuit. Just to quickly touch on the short squeeze that we've been hearing. A lot of people saying 125% and lots of different numbers getting chucked out there. That is not, have not made a video on that because it's not something that interests me, okay? GameStop was a very specific example, that just happened out of nowhere. People were getting the shorts out, and then it happened on a couple other stocks, i.e. AMC, etc. We can't rely on that. We can't rely on that to happen to HCMC. It's definitely not a reason you should be investing into HCMC because of a potential short squeeze. Yes, there's rumors of this maybe happening. There are a lot of short sellers, a lot of short volume, etc. in this company, but that is not a reason to base your investment into HCMC. Do I think that's going to happen? Personally, no, it would have happened by now. Why are we waiting so long for this to happen? Okay, GameStop, AMC, that was an extreme example out of nowhere. And yet it may happen on other companies, but that is literally a punt, a complete punt here. That is a gamble, in my opinion, okay? Yes, the lawsuit is, to an extent, a gamble. It is win or lose. However, a lot of things are riding in the HCMC's favour, and we know the risks when taking this one on. And with that being said, I'm not a financial advisor, so if you are planning on investing, always do your own research first. So yeah, just a quick breakdown, because I've been getting asked a lot, what do I think about the short squeeze? Basically, it does not interest me. I'm not even really looking into that right now because I don't think that is going to happen. But I may be mistaken, and if I am, I'll reap the rewards, okay, because I am a shareholder in this company. But yeah, I think we're going to have to ride this one out. I will, of course, keep you updated if we get any more news from either Philip Morris or HCMC, because it's definitely an exciting case to follow, which is why a lot of people are interested in this one. Despite the markets being, a bit red, a bit choppy right now, people are still interested in this company because, we could get some news at any time. So I'll definitely keep you updated. And like I said, come and join us on the Discord. It is completely free. I also have a Patreon where I put out exclusive videos, exclusive live streams, and my daily buys and sells. Link to that is in the description as well. Thanks for watching. If you can smash the like and subscribe to my channel, that is, of course, always appreciated. And until next time.